Next question. The following figures and the information were extracted from company A Limited. Earning of the company 10 lakhs. Payment of the dividend is 6 lakhs. Number of shares outstanding 2 lakhs. Price earning ratio is 10 times. The rate of return on investment is 20%. You are required to calculate two questions are there. Current market price of the share, that is P0, and then second part of the question, capitalization rate of its risk class, that is cost of equity. Third, what should be the optimum dividend payout ratio? What should be the market price per share and optimum dividend payout ratio? And throughout the question, you are required to use the Walter model for giving answer. That is what they have provided. I want you to make the calculation of answer of the first question and put your answer in the chat box. Let us see how to make the calculation of answer. First of all, having a discussion. The first question is calculation of the current market price. Kindly use your calculator. 10 lakhs upon 2 lakhs. That comes to, so the earning per share is rupees 5. 6 divided by 2. So the dividend per share is 3. Price earning ratio is 10 times. So the cost of equity is 10%. Okay. 1 divided by 10. As far as the first question is concerned, in that the dividend per share is 3 plus 5 minus 3, it is 2 into R.20 divided by 0.10 whole divided by 0.10. So 2 into 0.2, that is 0.4. 0.4 divided by 0.1, that comes to 4 rupees. 4 plus 3, that comes to 7 rupees, the numerator, divided by 0.10. That is the way the price can be calculated as an amount of rupees 70. This is what we understand. Second part of the question, capitalization rate for the risk class. That is what say we are bound to calculate in the first part of the question. What should be the optimum dividend payout ratio? See, R is greater than K. So the dividend payment should be 0 and the retention ratio should be 1. So the optimum dividend payout ratio is 0. What should be the market price per share at that optimum dividend payout ratio? That is the question. So the dividend per share I am taking 0. EPS minus DPS I am taking 5 into 0.20 divided by 0.10 whole divided by 0.10. So 5 into 0.2 is 1. 1 divided by 0.10 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 divided by 0.10 is 100. So if at all you follow the optimum dividend payout ratio, it means that say you don't pay dividend, the price will increase from 70 to 100. That is the way we are required to give answer. So let us now make the calculation of the answer. Heading right down, using Walter model, heading right down, using Walter model, comma, calculation of market price of equity share. Please write an answer. Earning per share is 5. That is earning after taxes divided by number of shares. So it is 10 lakhs upon 2 lakhs. So it is earning per share is 5. Next is the dividend per share. It is dividend divided by that is number of shares. Amount of the dividend is 6 lakhs. Divided by number of shares are 2 lakhs. So dividend per share is 3. EPS minus DPS is 2. Okay. 5 minus 3. Now based on that, so we can compute the market price of the share. It is dividend per share plus earning per share minus dividend per share into R upon K whole upon K. What is dividend per share? It is 3. EPS minus DPS is 2 into R is 0.20 divided by cost of equity. Okay. For cost of equity, I forgot to make the calculation of the working note. We'll do it later on. That is 10 percentage. Whole divided by 10 percentage. So 2 into 0.2, that is 0.4 divided by 0.10, that is 4 rupees. So 3 plus 4 divided by 0.10. So 7 divided by 0.10, that comes to 70 rupees. And a small working note for K, calculation of cost of equity, it is 1 upon price earning ratio. So 1 upon 10 times it is 0.10, that is 10 percentage. Please take down answer. Third question is, what should be the optimum dividend payout ratio? So let us answer the third question. As R exceeds K, in bracket write down, 20% exceeds 10%. So the company should retain 100% of earning to maximize market price of equity share as per Walter model. Full stop. Calculation of MPS, comma, if dividend per share is 0. Okay, because we should retain everything. EPS we already have found. It is an amount of rupees 5. Dividend per share is 0. EPS minus DPS is 5. That is 5 minus 0. Market price of the share, dividend plus earning minus dividend into R upon K whole upon K. That is a simple formula. Dividend is 0 plus 5 into 0.2 divided by 0.1 whole divided by 0.1. So answer is very simple. It is 100 rupees. And we can see that, say, by following the optimum dividend payout ratio, market price of the equity share increases from 70 rupees to 100 rupees. That is the way we are required to substantiate our answer. That is the way we are required to prove our answer. Let's see if at all you follow the dividend policy that say we recommend it to you, then the price will increase. So small note only for understanding. We can observe that by following optimum dividend policy, comma, market price of equity share increases. That is what we understand. From 70 to 100. This is what we understand.